Hey crew, today's video will be a key lime pound cake. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have key limes, unsalted butter, lime jello, cream cheese, powdered sugar, eggs, cake flour, regular sugar, salt, baking powder, and pure vanilla extract. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our key lime pound cake. Okay, crew, so we're about to get into our key lime pound cake. And I first want to start off by saying happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year, because that's right around the corner. So we're going to get into this key lime pound cake. And I'm going to show y'all the dry ingredients first, then we're going to mix it together. So we went in with 3 cups of cake flour. So now we're going to go in with a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so we're going to go in with our lime jello mix. And all you need is a 3-ounce box, but I have a 6-ounce box. So I'm going to pour in half. I'm going to give our ingredients a quick whisk. So to make sure that we got everything combined well, y'all already know what time it is. Time to sift everything together. And those little crumbs down in there, we're just going to discard that. Okay, so we have our dry ingredients mixed. We're going to move along to the wet ingredients. Y'all stay tuned. We are going to go in with 3 sticks of unsalted butter that's room temperature. Okay, so we're going to cream this together until it's light and fluffy. Okay, so we're going to push our sides down. We're going to give it a few more minutes. Okay, crew, so I have 2.5 cups of sugar that I'm going to slowly add. Okay, so we're gonna push the sides down again. We're gonna combine this until we no longer hear any sugar crystals in the bowl. Okay, crew, so we're gonna go in with 6 large eggs, and we're gonna do 1 egg at a time. Okay, so we're gonna push our sides down. Okay, cool, so moving right along. We are going to go in with 1/4 cup of key lime juice. We're gonna also go in with our vanilla extract. We're gonna do a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And now our 1/4 of a cup of key lime juice. And it took 5 key limes to get a 1/4 of a cup. Okay, cool, so we're gonna slowly start adding our dry ingredients to our mix. Okay, cool, y'all see that pretty color? It's coming through. So we're just gonna push down the sides and make sure that we got everything combined well. Then we're gonna give it another quick mix. Okay, Chris, we're gonna move along to the next step, which will be putting our key lime pound cake mixture into our pan, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, Chris, so we have our cake blended pan, and we're just gonna simply spray it with baking soda like always. Just gonna simply put our key lime pound cake mixture into our pan. The color of it is so pretty, y'all, and it smells so good. It never fails. There go the center, y'all. There go the favorite part. Who won it? Friendly auction again. We're gonna start with a like and a comment. Bam! There go the first like and comment. It's your bowl. Enjoy. So we're just gonna smooth this out some. Okay, crew, so we're going to put this in the oven at 325 for 80 to 90 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, crew, so we got our key lime pound cake out the oven. I baked it at 325 degrees for 80 minutes. And I inserted a toothpick in the center to make sure that it was done all the way through. So I'm about to give y'all that famous close up. And it's crispy. You know, the edges are the best part. Okay, cool. So we got our key lime pound cake out the oven, out the pan, and I iced it. I didn't want to show y'all making the cream cheese because y'all already know. Just use your cream cheese, a little bit of milk, powdered sugar, and vanilla flavoring if you want to. So here's the ice. I'm gonna cut a piece and Quinn is gonna try it, and y'all know she's gonna be honest about it. She never had key lime cake or pound cake before, so this will be a first for her, so y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we're gonna get ready to cut our key lime pound cake. And Queen wanted y'all to see the icing on the inside, cause you know she greedy like that.
Stop doing
But yeah, I'm gonna take it off this piece of paper. I just did it because of the icing. But we gonna cut into it.
I had a question why you couldn't.
It's hard. It's harder than a brick.
No. Are you gonna keep the icing that's in the middle?
I'm gonna throw the paper. I can't push it.
Cut that thing. Cause you know if it's hard, I'ma tell him. One thing about me, and I don't know if he told you, I have never had key lime pie, key lime cookie, key lime nothing. So I don't even know what I'm expecting.
Whoop. Whoop. Get that close up, baby.
Oh yeah, that color look good on that side. Look at that. Okay then.
So we're gonna let Queen give it a try, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so show y'all that real quick like. And it go Queen piece, she gonna try it and she gonna let y'all know what she think. And this will be her first time, like she said. You gotta get a big piece, baby. She's scared, y'all. You gotta get in there, baby.
Okay. Okay.
That fork was dancing a while ago, yeah.
The lime kind of tastes like a lemonade, almost, or limeade. Like drinking a limeade, like a limeade lemonade. That's what this part tastes like. The crust and the cream, the lime. What type of icing?
Cheese.
A cream cheese icing. It's sweet, but it's not overpowering. It's a perfect blend. And like I said, I ain't never had key lime anything, but this tastes like a sweet lemonade almost, mixed in a pound cake. But it's good, y'all. I would definitely eat it. It's good.
Y'all, she going in. Okay, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. My take on key lime pound cake. You got anything else you want to say?
Did y'all try it?
She said y'all gotta try it. So don't forget to like the video and comment on the video. I'm gonna give y'all one last close up. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.